Okay, so this is a workaround here for when your image or video does not fit in the frame that you chose. As you can see here, my video that I put into this laptop frame is too big for the actual screen. And when you click on it, it does not allow you to adjust the size in terms of making it smaller. I can make it bigger, but I can't make it smaller. And I'm sure that I'm not the first person this happened to, because there's other frames I've used that also have this same problem. I had messaged Canva and they had gotten back to me, and one of the reps let me know about this workaround here. So the only way that we found is by finding another frame. So I typed in computer here. You're going to go down to frames. You're going to go to see all, and I'm going to click on this computer here. I'm not sure why this works, but this frame here allows the video to be fully within the frame. So if you're having this problem with one of your frames, you're going to want to try another frame, because as of right now, Canva let me know, or one of the one of the representatives at Canva let me know that there's no way to change that. As of right now, your best bet is to find a new frame. But I just wanted to put that out there, that this is a way to get around that.